Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to listen to YouTube music in the background and work on your phone or play games or do whatever you want. First I'm going to show you the old known way to listen to music using Chrome web browser on Android. The simple way doesn't work, so we need to open the desktop YouTube site, play the video, leave Chrome, and in the notifications play the video so it can work on your phone while you're doing other tasks. I don't like this, and I love Chrome and use it everywhere. But to do this properly on my phone, I use Firefox web browser, open YouTube, find my video to listen music from it, just click on play, then leave Firefox with the home button, open notification bar and simply click play. This will work with any application opened on your phone and even when your phone is locked. Enjoy listening to music. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.